Another one of those pizza nights. Oh, you know, a full-size pizza, a large pizza is a lot easier to carry in a bike than a little dinky frozen pizza. You can kind of just brace your brace it with your elbows, and you're good. But this one's like, whoa, I am a little kid holding a little pizza with my little elbows. I'll just put my hand on it. Pat that pizza, know it's secure. You know what I'm having tonight, boys? We're just gonna have some pizza. True. Oh yes. Good old DiGiorno. Digimon, bro. Alright, don't lose the pizza. It is valuable cargo. Alright, that was a little bit exaggerated, but you get what I go through every day. You don't get my street name, though, you rascals. Or my number. So I'm gonna just go a little bit of this, a little bit of this, a little bit of Ghost. Oh shit, I can't see. Oh. That backfired. Oh, now I'm just fucking. Oh. 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 Almost there. Almost there. Okay.